What is going on with this guy? Yes, you see exactly, and he keeps going, and going, and going, and going. He is literally driving like that. And he won't pull over.